A friend of mine is asking me, I don't understand how to operate uh, time chain app. Uh, so the correction over here, it's my chain app. Please send some illustration if possible. When I saw your demo, it fascinated me. Thank you. So I'm going to answer this. Uh, there is this app which is called as MyChain app. The app looks something like this. This is the MyChain app. Now, from where you can get this app or from which place you can install it. So I'll go quickly to the Play Store. Over here, you can type in MyChain app. You search for it, and on the Play Store, you'll find this is that app. Uh, I have already installed this app, so it's there on my screen. What you can do is you can press the install button that would come for you. Once you have installed it, open the app. The app will look something like this. Now, for you, for the first time, the content or the data won't be available to you. So, you'll have to create the content, you'll have to create the data. So, the way you can do it is on the top right hand side, you see there are three dots. So, click on those three dots, it's a menu item. You see add chain, settings, help, export database, import database, exit. For us, for the first time user, you click on add chain and it shows you this editor or this dialog box. You have to write in the name of the chain. Now, what's the name of the chain? What do you write over here? You write one of the habit that you want to track, one of the habit that you want to monitor. So let's take an example. I want to track a habit of drinking, let's say, 8 glass of waters. So I'm going to write on over here, drink 8. Okay, so drink 8 glass of water every day. And to make it beautiful, how you can do beautification is you can use your normal emojis which are shown over here. I'll just type in glass if I'm able to see if there is a glass emoji. Okay, so not the so we don't want to have gifs, not the gifs, the normal emojis. Okay, so these are the emojis, frequently used emojis that are there. Let me see if I can get water or glass. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Not, yeah, so these are the emojis. Yeah, yeah, so this is good. Yeah, drink 8 glass of water. I say okay, and over here 1 to 1 day means I want to track it once every day. You can have it twice every day, or you can have once in 2 days. So all those combinations are possible. Okay, so you can say okay, and where did it go? So it would be on the bottom. So if you see on the bottom, there is this drink 8 glass of water which has come. You can click on up arrow or down arrow to get it up and down. If you need, you can use that. Okay, so while we are here, so this is how you can keep on adding your habits. So while you are here, you can also see with the bottom button, bottom arrow button which is on the left side of each of the chain, these are the icons below. You see, first one is calendar. Let me go and click on the calendar, and you see these are the calendars that are there. Uh, and then I'll go back. What do you have? What else do you have? You can re-edit the task or the habit that is there. What else you have got? You can delete it. You can also add rewards. Okay, and you can get this up or down. So if you see, I press the up button, so it has went up one step up. I want to press it down, so it has come one step down. Okay, now how do you use it? Is by just one tap or one click, the red color will change to green color. So ideally, uh, end of every day when you're doing your daily review, you'll go through this app and you'll click on the habits. So let's say yes, I drank 8 glass of water today, and you'll click tick mark it or click it as yes, it will turn into green. If you haven't done it, then you need not click on it because you didn't do it. Okay, and if we go in the calendar, let's say we go in the calendar, and you see the calendar shows which are the dates where it has become green. So you can also say that okay, yesterday I also drank 8 glass of water, and I would like to mark yesterday's date as green. So once you have done it, you go back, and if you see the number, earlier it was 0. When we clicked it for today, it became 1, and when you also uh, clicked it for yesterday, so you had 2. So 2 in a row, you were able to have a good habit built. Now, one more interesting and very fascinating thing about this MyChain app that I would like to show you is, here is a cup or a rewards icon. So I'll click on the cup or the reward icon. By default, there are no rewards that are being shown over here. What I can do is I will click on add rewards. Okay. So what do you do over here with add rewards? You can actually click on the rewards. So let's say uh, you you know you drank 8 glass of water in thrice in a row. So you were able to have a 3 streaks. So what you can do is you can reward yourself, saying that okay, you get a treat. Okay, I'll write over here, you get a treat. Okay, so you get a treat to drink coconut water. Okay, so this is fantastic. And once you have added this, what will happen is, uh, if you click on, let's say, yeah, 1 second, I'll just click on this. Okay, this is green, and this is also green. And ideally, a pop-up will come when you are clicking it on that particular day, that the you get an award to drink a coconut water. So over here, the concept is that uh, you are creating a micro celebration for yourself. So you are incentivizing it, you are gamifying your life. Okay, so this is how you can gamify your life and make it beautiful. Okay, so this is the app. You go, go use it and enjoy it the way you want it, and it's really beautiful. The way you can use it for yourself. Okay, so thank you. I hope I've been able to give you clarification on how to use it and how to get it up and going for yourself. Thank you so much.